Hi everyone, welcome to Little Crafts. Today we are going to see how to make 4 cups. Let's start. Fold the paper as shown to get a 4 cup. Write the colors in the first page. Open it and write numbers from 1 to 8 as you wish. After writing the numbers, open the last page and write as you like. I am writing opposites. Now we are going to see how to play this game. I am taking blue. B-L-U-E. There are 4 numbers 1, 2, 7 and 8. I am going to take number 8. E-I-G-H-T. Here we are having 3, 4, 5 and 6. I am going to take number 3. We are having strong. We can play this game for more number of times with different colors, different numbers and different words. Thank you. After watching this video, please like, comment your feedback in the comment section, share with your friends and family and subscribe our channel. Click on the bell button to receive the notification.